Okay, hi everybody. Welcome. I'm sorry I'm not here today. Mrs. Bott is your sub. She's a fantastic woman. I know that you're going to treat her with the same loving kindness that you do me and your mom and every other female and male in this building. Okay, bell work. I want you to sketch this picture and I want you to name a line that does not intersect with line AD. And then I want you to identify for me, please, the intersection of AD and DB. Go ahead and pause this. Let the kids do this. Come back in a couple minutes. All right, we're back. Let's figure out what we have. Name a line that does not intersect with AD. Well, here's line AD. What doesn't intersect with AD? How about line BC? And I'm hoping your notation looks like that. I'm going to be a stickler for notation. And then, next one, what is the intersection of AD and DB? Well, I'm going to highlight DB now, and let's go see what we have there. Here's DB. Name the intersection of that? Well, that's point D, and we name points with capital letters. Okay, that's it for our bow work. Today, we are going to identify angle pair relationships. Okay, so we're going to identify lines and we're going to identify pairs of angles given stuff that intersects. Go ahead, you can pause this, let them write this down, and come on back when you're ready. All right, we're back. Parallel lines. What on earth are parallel lines? Where's my definition of parallel lines? Here's my picture, but my definition of parallel lines are lines that do not intersect and are coplanar. So they have to lie in the same plane. So if you look down on the floor, the floor is a plane, and you see we've got vertical, the floor tiles. Those lines that are vertical, running parallel to each other, they never intersect. So what I want you to do is I want to talk about notation. We're going to call this line M, this line N. These little kind of arrows, those indicate that those lines are parallel, and we could say M is parallel to N. Next, let's do what is a transversal. So I'm going to scroll this, and I want you to draw this picture. So here's my transversal. That's the line in red, and I want you to do two parallel lines. And my definition. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points. So we've got line M, line N, and line T is my transversal. Notice that my transversal intersects line M right here, and it intersects line N down here. So we've got some corners going on. We've got a corner, 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 and then down here we've got a bunch of things. We're going to learn what those are today. Okay, pause this if you need to. I'm going to move on. All right, let's talk about what vertical angles are. You guys should remember that. That is our first angle pair relationship. Vertical angles, angles that are opposite each other when two lines cross. That's easy to find, and I think I have a picture right here. Here are vertical angles. Vertical angles. So 1 and 4 are vertical, 3 and 2 are vertical, 6 and 7 are vertical, and 5 and 8 are vertical. Okay? So vertical angles, angles 1 and angle 4, angle 3 and angle 2, angle 5 and angle 8, and angle 6 and angle 7. Pause this if you need to, and when you're ready, come on back. All right, we have something called same side interior angles. Other people call them consecutive interior, so you're going to see both vocabs, both words. We need to know them. Same side interior angles, angles that lie between the two lines on the same side of the transversal. Go ahead and write that down, get that in your notes. You can pause this, and I will we'll pull the picture back, or we'll draw a picture. So go ahead and get the words down, and now here's your picture. So angles that lie between the two lines. So here's my two lines. What angles lie between the two lines on the same side of my transversal? My transversal is this red line T. So if you notice, angle 2 and angle 5, they lie between my two blue lines on the same side of the red. So angle 2 and angle 5 are called same side interior. Also angle 4 and angle 7. Angle 4 and angle 7. They lie inside my blue lines, and they are interior, inside my blue lines, interior, and they're one after the other, 4 and then 7. Okay? Pause this if you need to. I'm going to move on to the next vocab word. Okay, alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. These guys lie outside the lines on the opposite side of the transversal. So go ahead and get that written down. When you're ready, come on back and we're going to identify opposite sides of the transversal. I'm going to highlight my lines. So outside is out this way. This is outside of my lines. This is outside of my lines. Okay, so these angles are outside of the lines on the opposite side of T. Well, who's on the opposite side of T? 1 and 8. So angle 1 and angle 8 are called alternate exterior angles. Do you notice though that I have two other angles? I have angle 3 and angle 6. They are on the outside of my yellow lines, but on opposite sides of the transversal. So angle 3 and angle 6 are also alternate exterior. Pause this if you need to. Come on back when you're ready. Our next vocab word, our next angle pair relationship is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. So go ahead and write that down. These angles lie between the two lines. They lie between the two lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Here's my transversal T. So I'm looking at things inside. Inside. So in this area. So it looks like who's inside angle 2, his alternate interior angle is angle 7. So angle 2 and angle 7 are alternate interiors, and then angle 4 and angle 5. Those are alternate interior angles. They're inside the yellow lines on the opposite side of the transversal. All right. Pause this. Come back when you're ready. Ooh, corresponding. I think this is our last one, but I'm not 100%. Corresponding angles. Angles in matching corners. So we have a ton of corresponding angles here. So if you think about these as an intersection, angle 1, he's in the northwest corner over here. Well, who's in the northwest corner on my other intersection? Angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. But who's in the northeast corner? Angle 6 and angle 2, they're corresponding. Angle 6 and angle 2, they're corresponding. So if I put direction over here, this must be the southwest corner, which means this is the southwest corner. So angle 3 and angle 7. And then I've got southeast corner, 8 and 4. So each sets of those pairs are corresponding angles. So if you think about them as an intersection, that's help me remember. Okay. So I would love for you to sketch this. So we've got a lot here, actually. We've got 4 lines happening. So pause this, sketch and label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back when you're ready. We're going to identify the corresponding angles. Well, there's a ton of them. Angles that are corresponding, that are in matching corners. angle 1 and angle 11. Angle 1 and angle 11. And then I can go around and say, well, angle 12 and angle 4 are in matching corners. Angle 12 and angle 4. And then if I wanted to go look at these other intersections, could I say that angle 7 is in the southwest and angle 15 is in the southwest? So angle 7, oh, that's not working, is it? Angle 7 and angle 15. So there's a bunch of them. I'll just talk 3. All right. Let's talk alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are on the inside of my lines. So alternate interior are going to be in this region. This is the inside on opposite sides of the transversal. So alternate interior, it looks like 11 and 4. And then I've got 9 and 2. And then if I go to my other lines, I've got 7 and 14. And then I've got 13 and 8. Okay. Next, we're going to identify same side interior. Same side interior. Let's figure that out. Same side of the transversal on the inside. So I'm back to the inside, and they have to be on the same side. So it looks like 2 and 11. Angle 2 and angle 11. Can't I say 4 and 9? Okay, those work. Let's go talk alternate exterior. Exterior angles are going to be on the outside. So exterior angles are going to be, I'm going to look at this picture, they're going to be out here. That's my outside or my exterior. So who is exterior but opposite sides? 5 and 15. Or can I say 16? And do you want to say 6? And then last but not least, let's talk vertical. You guys, there's a million vertical angles on here. Can we say 9 and 10? Can we say angle 11, angle 12? Can we say 2 and 3 and on, right? Okay. So a ton of different angle pair relationships. All right, I'd like you to sketch this, and I want you to name the given set of angles. So pause this, get it sketched, write down angle 3 and angle 5, and what is their relationship? So pause it, come back when you're ready. Angles 3 and angles 5 are alternate interior angles. Okay? Go ahead and take a stab at angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. I hope you say they have no relation, because one's interior, one's exterior, so there's no relation there. All right, let's try angles 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7. I hope you said he's alternate exterior. These are my shorthand, AEA, alternate exterior. If you try angles 4 and angles 5, what do you think that is? Same side interior. And angle 3 and angle 6, I hope you said those are corresponding. Okay? Rewind if you have to get this down. But now you should be able to do your homework. So you have a worksheet, 1 through 20 all. It's a little half sheet. I want you to do both sides, and that will be due tomorrow for homework. We will go over proofs. I promise we will go over the proof statements in class on Thursday. Thank you for being wonderful. Please check with each other. The sub has an answer key. I'll post the answer key online though, okay? I want you guys to work together and talk with each other and make sure that you work together to check your work. Okay, have a lovely Wednesday. I will see you guys Thursday. Take care.